4K Ultra HD with night vision. Yung SR para siyang telemetry data na nakikita na rin natin sa mga action cameras like GoPro and Insta360. Makikita mo yung speed mo, speed and distance of the cars ahead of you, the centrifugal force, elevation, and up there sa upper corner sa right, meron ding GPS route. Astig na astig, di ba? May dashcam ka na, may action camera ka pa. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will review this high-end dashcam that was sent to us by DDPi Philippines. This is the N5 dual channel 4K Ultra HD with night vision and some cool features. Wow, action camera ba to? Tara, let's start with the unboxing. This is the packaging of the N5 dual. It looks expensive already. Dual means dual channel front and rear cameras. Aside from the 4K resolution, dual camera and night vision that I mentioned earlier, the N5 Dual also has a built-in 32GB memory storage, GPS log, and a super capacitor. Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. The black envelope contains the user guide, 2 electrostatic stickers. We will use one now and the other one is extra. There's also a pair of extra 3M adhesives for the front and rear cameras. Bale, itatabi lang natin tong mga extra na to in case we need them in the future. Eto na, this is the main unit and the front camera. Medyo mabigat. Kadalasan ng mga premium electronic gadgets ay mabigat dahil sa good quality materials na ginamit. It also looks expensive. Iba yung finish, malinis at pulido. Overall, it is solidly built. This is the long cable that you will use for the rear camera. This is a cigarette plug power adapter with 2 USB ports in case you don't have an extra USB port in your car. And then this is the rear camera. This is only 1080p. Yung front camera lang ang 4K. This is the main power cable for the front camera that you will connect to the USB port. And then finally, a plastic prying tool to help you insert and hide the cables. For the installation, kailangan idikit mo muna yung electrostatic sticker sa glass and then yung dashcam. But the problem is, since the N5 do not have a screen, it would be difficult to center and level the camera. That's why you have to install the DDPi app first and use your phone to view and center the camera. Sa manual, app installation, scan the QR code. Okay, para ma-install mo yung application. Then connect the USB-C cable to the N5 and then to the USB adapter and then finally to the 12-volt power supply. DDPi sent us this 32GB SD card. Hindi ito kasama sa box pag binili mo. You have to buy this separately. Insert the SD card here. The N5 can support a maximum of 512GB of SD card. Once the N5 is turned on, add the device in the application. Just follow the installation steps in the app. Now you can use the application to center and level the position of the dashcam. The camera and holder are actually connected via a hinge. You can adjust the vertical position of the camera. Now insert the long cable to the N5 and then patakbuhin mo yung cable sa gilid ng windshield using the prying tool. Okay, so tumakbo na dyan yung wire. Pagdating mo dito sa corner, itong soft part na fabric, you can just press that like that. Press mo lang ng ganyan. And then ipapasok mo na. Okay. Then typically, hard to, di ba? Ito yung soft. May insert mo lang yan dyan sa gilid. Madali lang to. Okay, pagdating mo dito sa corner, okay, etong rubber, that's called the weather strip. Hilain mo lang yan, natatanggal yan. Okay? Ayan, tanggal na siya. Now, yung cable, lusot mo to dito. So, the cable na para sa power nung main dashcam papunta dito sa baba. Okay? While yung cable papunta sa rear camera, yun ang papatakbuhin mo ngayon papunta dun sa likod. Okay? So, you just do the same thing. Okay? Patatawirin mo dun sa likod, tanggalin mo rin yung weather strip all the way dun sa rear ng kotse mo. Okay, so dito na tayo sa likod, kabit natin yung rear camera. Again, do not forget to remove the protective, yung protection ng lens. Yung cable, i-connect mo dun sa nilatag nating cable from the front, from the main unit. Using the app, diyan ka titingin para ma-balance mo yung camera dito sa likod. Okay? Wow, ang ganda! Ang linaw! The video quality is nice and crisp. Take note ha, Yung windshield, meron niyang solar guard na light tint. Pero parang walang tint sa sobrang linaw ng video quality. Anyway, the N5 has a 140-degree field of view. I like that it is able to cover corner to corner of the windshield. The plate numbers are clear kahit itong motor na nasa gilid at wala sa center ng camera. Even yung black car sa malayo, pag zoom in mo, very readable yung plate number niya. Here's a footage of night driving na may konting ulan. The video quality and clarity of the plate numbers are really impressive. Eto, subukan natin mag-zoom in dito sa Grandia na nasa unahan natin. Ayan, malinaw na malinaw pa rin. Here's the footage of the rear camera. Remember, this is only 1080p, not 4K. And the field of view is 124 degrees versus the 140 degrees in front. But look at the quality. Maganda at malinaw pa rin. And the coverage on the left and right are sufficient. Try natin mag-zoom in. Ayan, malinaw pa rin ang plate number. Okay din ang video quality ng rear camera at night. You can see what's going on. Yun nga lang, hindi madali makakita ng plate number because of the glare of the headlights. Plus, yung ulan. I think, kahit anong klaseng dashcam, ganito ang challenge pagdating sa likod. Pero kapag tinignan mo tong part na to, malinaw yung plate number, kaya lang natakpan ng ulan. Kung tuloy-tuloy yung takbo ng wiper, kitang-kita yung plate number na yan. Ito pa nakakatuwang feature ng N5. Meron siyang tinatawag na SR or Sense Reality and GPS Log. Yung SR, para siyang telemetry data na nakikita na rin natin sa mga action cameras like GoPro and Insta360. When you download the footage using the DDPi application, it will append the information that you see in the screen. Makikita mo yung speed mo, speed and distance of the cars ahead of you, the centrifugal force, elevation, and up there sa upper corner sa right, meron ding GPS route. Astig na astig, di ba? May dashcam ka na, may action camera ka pa. Also, while using the DDPi app, you can share or post the video directly to your social media applications. Select mo yung part na gusto mong i-download with the SR information. Make sure that this is selected, this one, and then you download. Okay? Ngayon, sa GPS log naman, you select this. Ayan, may tracking. The N5 has a black box. It has a 32 gig built-in eMMC storage technology. In case of microSD card failure, emergency videos are automatically saved right to your eMMC black box. You will be able to retrieve the emergency videos. Astig, di ba? Alam nyo ba, yung mga cameras natin, including our mobile phones, they overheat after just a few minutes of use, especially when in 4K format and you are out in the sun. So just imagine a 4K camera mounted on top of your windshield, absorbing all the heat from the sun while you are driving all day. Kaya dapat talaga good quality yung dashcam natin. DDPi used reliable and durable supercapacitor designed to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. The N5 has ADAS. It will warn you when the vehicle ahead started moving.
The vehicle ahead has started moving.
Ayun, sana narinig nyo. It will also warn you when you have been driving continuously for 4 hours to remind you to take a rest. The N5 has a parking mode na parang may CCTV ka while nakapark. It is AI-based radar motion detection system. Kaya lang, it requires the radar module and hardware kit na kailangan bilhin separately. Hopefully, DDPi Philippines will send us the kit so that we can test and review also, diba? For sure, many buyers would be interested to buy if they see how it works. Okay guys, if you are interested to get one of these DDPi N5 Dual, please click the links in the description. Thank you for watching. Drive safe. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.